Congratulations! By clicking the link below and watching this video, you have come one step closer to become a successful web developer. Today I am going to show you the exact path, or you can say the roadmap to become a successful web developer. I hope you guys are excited because I am really very excited to share you the secret, or you can say the exact roadmap, which is really unknown by many of the developers or beginner developers, or we can say the people who have already started their journey as a programmer. Okay, let's begin. So before starting the session, let's know what really full stack developer mean. Actually, the full stack developer is a developer who can develop a complete website by his own. A person who can develop a website from scratch to the complete level is known as a full stack developer. Now before starting this session, please remove the distractions and stay focused. Before I let you know these tricks or explain this secret, I want you to eliminate all the distractions surrounding you. And if you are on the place where you are surrounded by the distractions, don't worry, I have done one thing for you. I have sent this webinar link on your email. Once you get free, then please check out the email. I hope you have removed all the distractions around you. So let's begin the journey to become a solid web developer. Now, for whom this session is for? So this session is for the person who want to know what exactly web development is and how you can become a web developer, or the person who are really eager or want to learn the web development, want to learn some skills, or if you are a person who want to create a real world web development projects, then my friend, this session is exactly for you. Now let's have a look at some statistics that what is the actual value of a web developer, how web developer get work, how much web developer get salary, or what is the actual annual salary of the web developer, or we can say the estimate salary of a web developer. Let's have a look. Now let's have a look at the value of a web developer first. Here is some statistics of top paying and most popular programming languages. You can see here that a rank by average salary, the first position is getting by Python. Here is the Python is on the first position, where a Python developer get paid around 1,90,000 US dollar per year. And on the other side, there is a rank by volume of job openings, whereas Python is also getting on the first position, right? Whereas the 50,000 job openings per year for the Python developers. Now let me show you the another slide. I can't resist myself from showing you this research. Let's have a look. So I have searched on Google that how many new websites are launched every day. Here are some results which I get by the Google. Now let's look at the result, where I get to know that as per the Google's calculation, okay, approximately 175 new websites are created every minute. So around 2,52,000. How much? 2,52,000 new websites are created every day. Don't you think it's a huge number? By reading these statistics, we can easily understand that web development is a booming industry nowadays. Now I have acknowledged you that how many websites a per day launch and what is the exact value of a web developer. Now let's have a look at the estimate salary graph of a web developer. Now we can see here that a Google results that a median salary of a web developer in 2019 was around $74,000 per year. Nowadays, the salary of a junior developer is around $67,000 per year, which is very huge amount. So now if you stay in this journey for around 3 to 5 years, gain experience during this time, so you can easily earn around 1 lakh US dollar after that period of time. So most of the time people ask me the question that how they can earn as a web developer after learning web development skills, how they can land a client. So my friend, there is a two way. The first one is by doing a job. Simply master your skills and then apply for an internship. After getting the better over your skills, you can land your dream job at Google, Netflix, or anywhere you want to. The second one is by doing freelancing. Now if you don't know what the freelancer means, let me explain you. The freelancer means a person who can work from anywhere in the world. Simply a freelancer means that a person who knows any skills and can help others by delivering their service to anyone from remote location. Meanwhile, you can sitting anywhere in the world and working remotely from that place. It doesn't matter. You can work while sitting at your home on a sofa or work while enjoying your vacation. This is the exact meaning of doing a freelancing. Now after have a look at these all statistics, let's discuss what is the exact roadmap or actual path to become a successful web developer. Now just take an example that if you are doing a cycling, for balance the cycle you need a 2 wheels. Exact that way, if you want to become a full stack developer, you just need a 2 things. The first one is front end technologies and the second one is back end technologies. Now what is the front end mean? The front end mean the whole website or the whole page that you see on the front side of your screen is known as front end. You can create a front end by using such technologies like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now before I explain you what the backend is, let's take an example. Let's take an example of a sofa. We can see the cushions, the clothes, the color, the pattern of the sofa. That whole thing is known as a front end in website. Now the nails, screws and supporting wood behind the sofa is known as backend in web development technologies. Now how you can design a backend? You can use Python, Node.js, PHP, ASP.NET, Ruby on Rails. There are many languages by which you can create a backend. Now you might have a question that what is this backend languages? I can't understand what actually you are talking about, or what is this backend and front end languages? Don't worry, this is the exact roadmap I am talking you about. Now before knowing about these languages in brief, let's have a look that how exactly a website works. So let's suppose that you are at the point 1 where you are having a laptop and you write www.google.com. Now while pressing enter button or after pressing an enter button, you are requesting the internet that on this address, on this particular www.google.com address, whatever page is right there on that address, just let me have this page. After having this all queries on internet, the internet will return you that exact page over that address. So my friend, while you are on the first point where you are typing www.google.com on your laptop, the whole thing is known as a front end, and at the next point where the internet is processed, that address is known as the backend. Now let's have a look at the front end technologies, that by using which technologies you can create a beautiful front end. Majorly there are 3 technologies. The first one is HTML, the second one is CSS and the last one is JavaScript. By using these 3 basic technologies, you can easily create a beautiful website. After knowing the front end technologies, let's discuss what is the backend technologies. Here on the screen you can see that there is Python, Django and SQLite 3. What these 3 things are? So basically Python is a programming language which is used to create a website, or which is also help in developing mobile applications, AI and chatbot. Now what the Django is? Django is basically a web development module for the Python. Now the third thing is SQLite. What the SQLite is? SQLite is a database where you store all your data. So basically the SQLite is a database where the whole content of website is placed. Now after knowing that how a web development work and what is actually languages you need to know for doing a web development, or what you need to learn to become a full stack web developer, let's summarize what we have discussed till now. Now we have looked that what is the exact value of a web developer, and we have also looked at the salary graph of a web developer, how you can earn as a web developer, the web development terminology, where we have discussed that what exactly front end is and what the back end is. Now here at this point you might have a question that I am a school going student, or I am pursuing my college, or I am already doing a job at somewhere else. So how I can learn these all things? How I can become a full stack web developer? Now you have got 2 options. The first one is to learn these whole technologies on your own. So if you select the first option, you have to learn the front end technologies first, where you have to learn the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. After that you need to learn backend. So many technologies are listed here. You don't need to learn these whole technologies, just pick any one of them. But let me tell you, the option first comes with some limitations. It will be time consuming because of no proper resources, hard to manage the things, no guidance, slow process. and high chances of losing efforts and time. But don't worry, you have a second option too, where you can join us and learn the complete web development from the scratch with our experts. Now what is the advantage of choosing the second option? It will be time saving for you. You can achieve the thing fast. Highly experienced tutor will teach you, get instant answers of your doubt, get the certificate after completion of course, get lifetime access of the LMS where you can learn the thing on repeated mode for 24/7 and get the lifetime mentorship. Now if you have choose the second option, let me tell you how it works. Here we will going to learn the front end first. We will get the deep down knowledge of HTML, CSS, we will learn Bootstrap then, and finally we will going to learn the JavaScript. After knowing these four technologies or learning these four technologies, we will easily going to create the front end of the website. Our next step will be learn a backend technologies, where we are going to learn the Python language for backend, and after that we are going to learn the Django as a web development module, and at last we are going to learn SQLite 3 for a database. Now let me tell you what kind of students exactly we are looking for. The students who are 100% committed to their career success, the person who is eager to learn some new technologies, or you are ready to fill the form and ready to explore the new technologies with us, and at last you must have a laptop and internet connection to learn this. Now after knowing this whole thing, let me tell you for whom exactly this program is. The students who are pursuing their schooling, the students who are in college right now, or the person who have already started learning but don't know the perfect path, or the developers who knows how to develop a website but want to have some more perfection in their skills. Now if you think you are one of them, then this program is for you. Now if you want to start your journey with us and want to become a successful professional web developer, just click the link below and submit the form. After that you are invited to have a free 7 days trial class. The class will be conducted on a Zoom app. Join the Web Amplifier Education. Just join with us and turn your dream to become a web developer into reality with us. Here you will get the lifetime access of the LMS and have a lifetime mentorship. Now at this point you might think that how much this course costs me. The value of this course is just around 30,000 rupees. But don't worry, I know that many of the students might not able to pay this much amount. So don't worry, we have a limited time offer right here. Grab this worth of 30,000 rupees course in just rupees 12,000, where you can learn the complete full stack development right here in just rupees 12,000 and able to call yourself a professional web developer. Now what you will get in this 12,000 rupees? You will going to learn this whole technologies which I have explained to you to become a full stack developer, and you will get a lifetime access of the LMS. Now what I mean by the lifetime access of an LMS? Now suppose that after completion of your batch there might be a new updated content, then that content will be available for free to you on the LMS, and you will also get a lifetime support by us wherever you get stuck in these technologies, and we will also help you in your job preparation. So please don't miss out this opportunity, because we have a limited time offer with a limited seat. So grab this offer now and book a free 7 days trial class. See you in the class. Thank you.